My name is E. Oliver, and I'm a documentary filmmaker currently based in New York. Growing up in a rural area meant the natural world never felt very far away. Then I went to study biology at university, and science became part of my everyday life for years. But coming to New York to study journalism changed that. The unnatural world had never felt more difficult to escape. And the two disparate fields of my training, science and filmmaking, at first felt like being in two different galaxies. But sometimes galaxies collide, and sometimes destroy each other in the process. But that's besides the point. I found myself gravitating towards projects that put me back in touch with my scientific training, making films about how the natural world shapes us and how we shape it. I began to see how closely filmmaking and science can parallel each other in their process and ultimate purpose. They both have their hypotheses, methodologies, and results. They both seek to understand the world a little more, to render chaos into a more passable form. However, the ultimate end project could not be presented more differently. If science is fact, then film is the feeling. But I think they both can, and perhaps sometimes should, contain elements of each. I think that's what drew me towards Science New Wave. It seemed like a crystallization of that idea, that scientific film can be abstract and artistic in order to convey not just the fact, but the feeling of science.